Hello everyone, welcome to Calyx Learning. In today's video we are going to learn about PowerPoint, a simple technique to align the objects and to resize the objects all at once with the help of the tools and save a lot of time. So we have some images over here and all are of different sizes and they are not aligned. So we want to align them and also make the size of all images the same size. So when I click on an image here, or it is also called as picture here for PowerPoint, when I right click on it and select the option size and position. So on the right side you will see the options related to size and the positions. So in the size we have the height 2.96 and 3.5, which I want to make it as height 3 and width also 3. Also, one very important thing what we need to look at here is that these options, log aspect ratio, relative to original picture size, best scale for slideshow, these three options we will not select. Okay, then we are going to select all the images together. So I can press Ctrl A to select all the images together, and since any one of the image which is having the log aspect ratio option selected, so I am seeing a white color square here, so I will click on it and unselect it. Now the next thing, I am going to click on height field and put 3, then I'll go to the width, put 3 and press enter. So all the images are of one size. Now we want to arrange or align these images in the slide with the help of align options. So first we'll align all these three images on the top and then the below images. So first I've selected the first image, then hold the shift key, click on to second image, then on third image. When holding the shift key, it will select all the images together. Now the next thing, we go to picture format, we come here on the right side, we see an align object option. First we are going to select align middle, and the next thing we are going to select align, and then we'll select distribute horizontally. This option will make the gaps between all the images same. Then we come to this second part of the slide for the other images to be aligned. So selecting the first image, then holding shift key, clicking onto the images, then we go to align and we select align middle, then we select distribute horizontally. So when we are doing this, this is very interesting to understand here. Since there was a very less gap between all the three images, you can see here that the images have not created any gaps between them. So the first thing what we do is we just randomly put an similar gap what we want and just keep this, and then to get the exact gap we can just select all these images here and then go back to the align option. We'll select align middle, then second option we select distribute horizontally. Now this is aligned, but we also see that the above image is not aligned with the bottom one. So now what we'll do here is we'll first select the top image, then I select the second image, then I can go to the align option and I can select align center. Then I can select the second, then the below image, then go to align and select align center. Then the next one, the next image, and then I select align center. So now all the images are aligned properly. So this is how you can align and resize the images, or any object like shapes. Also you can do the same steps to align and resize. I hope you like this video. So please like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel to see more videos like this. Thank you so much.